Hello everyone, welcome to another new video. In this video I will show you how to fix if not receiving MMS messages on Infinix Smart 10 Plus or Smart 10 HD. Let's start the video. If you want to fix this problem, go to app library. Here click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to end, click on system, click on reset phone and click on reset all settings. Click on reset, enter phone pin, click on this icon. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, click on app management, click on app list. After click on app list, scroll down and click on messages app and click on storage and cache. Click on clear cache. After click on clear cache, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, just click and hold side power button. Click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon and you will see your phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. So please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.